Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to enable the developer options at the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. So first of all we have to go to the settings, then we have to scroll down until about phone, and then we have to tap the build number for 7 times. So then we are a developer. We go back one step. And then now here we have the developer options. You tap it, you can enable now the USB debugging or the stay awake mode. Here's the USB debugging and so on, and all the other stuff. The developers knows what I'm talking about. If you want to go back, tap on a circle and you're back on the desktop. And thank you so much for watching this video. Maybe you can check out some other videos for the Huawei Mate 10 Lite on my channel. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want you can leave me maybe a nice comment or give me some stuff. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and maybe until next time. Ciao!